Nina. She helps me learn new things every day.
Welcome to your Max class. Before we begin, a quick reminder to keep your journals open in front of you throughout the class.
Let's set a clear aim for today's class.
You may already know that there are different kinds of animals around us. We have learned that animals live on land, in water, or both on land and in water. Finally, do you remember the difference between domestic animals and wild animals? Today, we are going to find out more about useful animals. Specifically, we will learn more about how domestic animals are useful to us. Now write in your journal, in your own words, what is the aim of the class today?
I have written down what we are going to learn today.
Time for a quick activity. Let's get started.
Take a pencil, an eraser, 2 sheets of paper, a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Fold 1 sheet of paper in half along the shorter side like this. Now using glue, stick the left and right edges of the folded paper together. Make sure that you do not stick the top edge of the paper. This is an envelope. Write useful animals on it. Take the second sheet of paper and fold it in half along the longer side like this. Now fold this in half again along the same side, and then fold the sheet in half along the shorter side, like this. Open the folds. You will get 8 parts. Using your pair of scissors, cut the sheet along the fold lines. You will get 8 small strips of paper now. Take a small strip of paper and write cow on it. Now take the second strip and write snake on it. In the third strip, write hen. Similarly, write dog, monkey, horse, sheep, and donkey on the remaining strips of paper. Look at the screen. Sue is having eggs and a glass of milk for breakfast. She wonders where the eggs and the milk came from. From the strips of paper you have, pick the animal which gives us milk and put it in your useful animals envelope. Pick the animal that gives us eggs and drop that in your useful animals envelope as well. Sue is feeling cold. Her mother asked her to wear a woolen sweater to keep her warm. Where do you think we get wool from? Pick the animal and drop it in the useful animals envelope you made. Sue's family is planning to go on a trip. Which animal do you think will look after their house when they are away? Pick the animal and put it in your useful animals envelope. Sue and her family are on a trip. They have a lot of heavy bags and they want to carry it to the top of the mountain. Which animal do you think can help Sue's family carry the heavy bags? Pick the correct animal and drop it in your useful animals envelope. Sue is tired and cannot climb the mountain on foot because it is very steep. Which animal do you think can carry her to the top of the mountain? Pick the animal and put it in your envelope. Mia, which animals were useful to Sue? Write it in your journal. What is your answer?
Cow, hen, sheep, dog, donkey and horse are the animals that were helpful to Sue.
Great! Animals such as cows and chicken are useful animals because they provide us with food such as milk, eggs and meat. Dogs protect us, and animals such as donkeys and horses help us by carrying us and load, such as heavy bags.
Time for analysis. Let's watch a Cool Talk video.
Oh no, not porridge again!
That too without milk. I would love to have some eggs and toast with honey and milk.
No milk, eggs, or honey in here.
Let's get them from the market.
We can get these from the farm right here.
What do you mean?
Where do you think we get milk, eggs, and honey from?
Market?
And how do they get there?
Don't know.
We get these from farm animals.
Really?
Let me show you.
What's happening here?
They are milking buffaloes and cows.
Is this how we get milk?
Yes, and from milk we make curd, butter, and cheese.
Amazing! Where did Zero get the eggs from?
From the hens.
Thanks to the hens, we can have eggs now.
Look, what do you think they are doing?
Don't know.
They are taking out honey from the beehives.
Thanks, Zero.
And the bees too.
What do we get from them?
Its fleece is used to make woolen clothes.
Like our sweaters.
Correct. Time for a hearty breakfast.
It's yummy. Come on, Dash. Go for it.
In the analysis section of your journal, write in your own words what you learned from the video. Today we learned that some animals are useful to us. They provide us with milk, eggs, and meat. Some animals also help us by protecting our homes and carrying us and heavy load. We will now solve a problem. But before that, let's watch the Cool Talk again.
Oh no, not porridge again.
That too without milk. I would love to have some eggs and toast with honey and milk.
No milk, eggs, or honey in here.
Let's get them from the market.
We can get these from the farm right here.
What do you mean?
Where do you think we get milk, eggs, and honey from?
Market?
And how do they get there?
Don't know.
We get these from farm animals.
Really?
Let me show you.
What's happening here?
They are milking buffaloes and cows.
Is this how we get milk?
Yes, and from milk we make curd, butter, and cheese.
Amazing! Where did Zero get the eggs from?
From the hens.
Thanks to the hens, we can have eggs now.
Look, what do you think they are doing?
Don't know.
They are taking out honey from the beehives.
Thanks, Zero.
And the bees too.
What do we get from them?
Its fleece is used to make woolen clothes.
Like our sweaters.
Correct. Time for a hearty breakfast.
It's yummy. Come on, Dash. Go for it.
Time to apply what we have learned to a real problem.
Which animal can help the man cross the desert? Write the answer in your journal. Your time starts now. Mia, what is your answer?
Camel will help the man cross the desert.
Excellent, Mia.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see if we remember what we learned in the class today.
Shade the bubble for the correct answer in your journal. Question 1. Which animal gives us wool? Question 2. Bees are useful to us because they A. Give us eggs to eat. B. Carry us from one place to another. C. Give us honey to eat. D. Guard our homes.
In today's class, we learned so many things about useful animals. Now I can tell how useful domestic animals are to my family and friends. See you next time.